going?
Yep, we're actually going today. Woo, 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 woo. Actually going today. Woohoo! Yay! After 4 months.
Bring it down.
Bring it down, Liam. It didn't do the click. Okay, peeps, we spoke too soon. Had a bit of an issue with the leg. So we just, yeah, car's all good. So
some bolts sort of sheared on it, and now it's just floating in the wind. We're going to take it out and get some new bolt hopefully just put into it.
Yep. Anyway, this is
van life.
Yeah, van life and happy days.
Yeah.
But all good, guys. We have left Darwin now. That's where we're parked at this free camp near Edith Falls, and now we're going to go for a nice dip.
15 minutes from Edith Falls.
Yep. So, well, and yeah, car's running great, and we're off on our adventure again. Yay! I guess the great thing about us leaving later, Darwin, is that there's hardly anyone here. So we'll probably have one whiz-banger juicy. No, it's a juicy van, and pretty much that's it. There's not one other car, but we'll
Not the whole place, so it's
yeah, that's pretty sweet. Isn't it? I mean, not good for not socialising, but we're gonna get some great photos with just us in the falls. Woo! Those are the money shots.
I don't know where I'm going to park. I'm going to park right next to this guy.
We'll do. And now we're at this beautiful area.
Oh, look at that.
We just had a swim in there, and yeah, it was a good morning dip. So we're just enjoying being on the road again, and yeah, this is horrible.
We woke up to this. We had a morning dip. Now we've got our 4-hour trip ahead of us. Go through Catherine, and we're heading toward Kununurra.
Yep. Yeah. So we're aiming to the west coast, and we've been hanging to get there for so long, and now we're finally on our way. So it's very good.
Look at down here. That's the way down to the waterfall. If you ever get to Edith Falls, just outside of Catherine, worth coming.
So good. Very special spot. So we've had quite a few waterfall areas in the last few days.
top
and
of
the
northern,
flies.
The flies too. But top of the Northern Territory, full of beautiful waterholes like this with waterfalls to swim under and everything.
And so much warmer. Like we came here in June, yeah, on our way up to Darwin, and it
around
was
33 to 35 degrees
and it
every
was
day.
so
Through
cold.
the winter.
Like the water was really fresh.
Yeah.
But coming here now, there's less people, so yeah, it's way more relaxing and chill.
It's the beginning of the wet season, so the humidity's getting up there. But like Carolina said, less people.
And warmer water.
Oh, the water's beautiful.
So good.